Hey guys, welcome to our Dollar Tree Christmas Crafts DIY. There are two of us in this collaboration, and the other party is Lene. I'll link her channel below so you can go see what she has created. Her channel is Fashionably 50-something and Beyond, and she does fashion hauls, DIYs, and cooking. And then, of course, you know, on my channel, I do monthly subscription unboxing, other purchases, thrift stores, just a variety, including crafts. So what you're viewing here is what I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Now, I don't know what I'm doing. I'll admit that. I'm pretty new to the crafts. So I just went and I just said, all this looks like a lot of fun stuff. So I picked it up and I don't know what I'm going to make. So not following any guidelines. I'm just picked up the stuff from the Dollar Tree. It's all from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to put some stuff together and see what I can come up with. Now, I did a DIY on my Instagram channel, which is my_beauty_subscriptions. And this is what I created here with the wooden type wreath. I added a little bit of snow as well, and then a little more green ribbon on the top. And that's how I left it. But with this DIY, I'm going to add to that wreath right there and put some additional decorations on the wreath. And that's my first project with this DIY. So I added the elf legs, and then I added the ribbon and the bells. So what do you think? That's the final with that decoration. Now for the plastic jars, I picked up some candy and I figured I would just put some ribbon on it and put the candy inside. And this is how they originally came out, but I did decide that it needed something else. So I added an additional ribbon around the center of each one, and that's the final with the jars of candy, plastic jars of candy. Now for the star, I have no idea. I just picked it up and I didn't know if I was going to try to put lights on it or what I was going to do with it. So this originally, I just started putting stuff on it, including the bulb, which I ended up taking the bulb off in the end. But I have the red poinsettias on the right, the white on the left, and then I have some pine cones and, you know, whatever I had picked up at the Dollar Tree. I needed more, so I did end up going back to the Dollar Tree to get more because this is as full as I could get it. And then, of course, that's my ribbon that I made from the what I had, which is not the greatest as well. But I did go to the Dollar Tree and pick up some, it's called garland here, and it looks like the pine tree and some more of the red poinsettia, so that I could wrap that garland around and fill it in better and try to fix the bow that I made on the top and then get rid of that bulb in the center. And this is how it came out. So I put it out on my door and I tucked the ribbon ends behind, and then I pulled the ribbon ends out so you could see them just to see what might look better. But it, you know, it does look like a wreath. So it's kind of neat. I mean, it can go inside, outside, and that is the final on that one as well. All right, guys, so this is my final of this project here, the two wreaths and the candy jars, and it was a lot of fun, and everything was from the Dollar Tree, so it was really inexpensive to make all three. And make sure you definitely go check out Lene's channel because she's really creative. She's really crafty, and there's definitely no competition with her. I just would not even be close to as nice as the things that she creates because I'm new and she's been doing this for a little bit longer. And also there's giveaways on both of our channels. So you definitely want to check hers out and get into her giveaway as well. With my giveaway, I'm having the Gleam link again, and it's going to be in the description. So you definitely just want to click on the Gleam link, put in your email address, but make sure you also comment below, because when I have the giveaways, if you don't respond by email, then I'm not able to find you. And, you know, within 3 to 5 days, whatever, you know, is going along with that giveaway, then I have to draw a new winner. And I, you know, would like to give it to the original winner. So whatever you want to comment below, and then also just click on the link, the Gleam link, and enter if you're interested in the giveaway. And let's get started on that. All right, so these are the 12 items in this giveaway. And it is United States only. You must be subscribed to my channel. The first item is the Visa gift card, $25 gift card, hyaluronic acid bubble face mask. And then there's a Yes to Grapefruit Vibrancy Boosting Vitamin C Brightening Clay Hair Mask. And the next is Cara Beauty. It's a matte lip in the peachy rosy shade called Delicate. Hard Candy Glitterazzi Press and Play Glitter Reveal Lip Color. So your lips are going to glitter. Ofra Midi Palette, Sitting Pretty. And it is so pretty. You have two nice blush colors and then that beautiful highlighter. The next is the little Mermaid Tail Highlighter Brush. Yeah, it's really cute. The brush is actually really soft. All right, so the next is the Wanted Trend Beauty Eyeshadow Palette. Beautiful shades. Some neutrals, beige, a lot of different rose shades, mattes and shimmers, even a brown shimmer. So beautiful. Make some beautiful eye shade combinations with that. Okay, so the next is the Roots RUTZ Skincare. So it's an antitoxidant eye cream, but it says it also can be used around the mouth for the wrinkles around the mouth and around the eyes. Okay, so the next is the Wander Beauty Staycation Hydrating Mask, and you can put this on generously for 10 to 15 minutes, or you can put a smaller amount on and just leave it as an overnight moisturizer. So the next item is 3 Arceli Beauty Blenders. They retail for $42, and they're used to blend and apply foundation, concealer, and cream products. All right, so the last item is the makeup brushes that are made by Collab. There's a set of 6 for you to use with your eyeshadow palette, and it says that they're high quality, so hopefully they work well. That's all 12 items in the giveaway. The rules are in the description, and there's also a link to Fashion Really 50 Something and Beyond's channel in the description, so you can go watch her video. I hope you enjoyed the Dollar Tree Christmas Crafts DIY, and thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video.